What is good, guys and gals? Chris here with West Coast Harley-Davidson, your largest pre-owned Harley-Davidson dealership in Northern California. Today we're going to switch it up on you a little bit. We're going to talk about one of our new 2018s we just finished in the back. Tons of customized features on this bike. Of course, the Road Glide S has a really nice custom style to it. Looks great with the wicked red and all the blacked out features. Of course, standard up front, you'll have the blacked out front end, blacked out turn signals, smoked lenses. You get the blacked out Talon wheels, Brembo dual disc brakes. Of course, this is an S, so we'll give you the standard ABS on there as well. 6-gallon fuel tank's gonna be feeding that normally 107 cubic inch motor, but we've amped it up a little bit. This has the 114 stage 4 build. Heads, cams, tune, it's all done. There's a nice look at that high flow kit. All the blacked out features on this bike look amazing. They even got the blacked out pans on the floorboards. We've also added the stage 2 boom audio. So we got the amps at the front, I got the amps in the saddlebags, got the speakers in the saddlebags. As you also can see, we've added the detachable slimline tour pack. Gives you a little extra capacity, carry some luggage for a weekend ride. Nice clean look. The bike doesn't take away from the lines of it at all. There's a nice look at those stretch saddlebags. Of course, they all have the locking color matched hinges. We did do the Bassani exhaust on there. Great sounding exhaust. Got the fully skirted rear fender. All nice and clean bullet lights, blacked out mounts. Blacked out hinges there on the tour pack. Nice look at that blacked out dash console. We also did the 14-inch polyaphy ape hangers. I call those the monkey bars. Of course, the hydraulic clutch, hydraulic brake line. The touring bikes, like most bikes nowadays, don't have any kind of throttle cables. It's all drive-by-wire. Nice, clean action on the bike. Let's fire this one up so you can hear it. Super nice sound of the exhaust system. Give us a call or stop in and see us. We are located directly off the 101 and Main Street in Salinas. Once again, this is Chris with West Coast Harley-Davidson. 831-731-5066. Stop in and experience the difference.